So let me show you how to create a folder inside a USB flash drive on your Samsung phone. So once you connect your USB flash drive to your phone, you can simply navigate to My Files, and in the My Files app, go to the storage section and select USB storage device. Now this is my USB flash drive, and these are the files and folders in there. So to create a folder, just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select create folder. And then you can name that folder whatever you want. So let's say I want to name this wedding photos, and then tap on create. So now we have a folder inside the USB flash drive. So now when I'm copying photos and videos from somewhere else into my flash drive, I can simply copy them into a folder just to keep things neat and tidy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.